Now, this is how you can save voice messages from the WhatsApp to your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time in Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. Well, of course, your WhatsApp can contain like so many voice messages shared through the chat, right? So there are actually two ways how you can do this. If somebody just uses the built-in like chat tool and they tap on the microphone and record the voice memo, you can tap on or hold it down on the thing, click on the forward option, and then click on the share again. So then once you click on share, you can decide where you actually put the audio recording. Most likely you just want to save it to the Files app. That is the original or default place for our files of various different kinds. So most likely you just want to share it there. Perhaps create a new folder which you can name like the voice recordings from WhatsApp, right? For a better organization. Right, so that is the first way, but outside of that, people can share their audio recordings not through this, through the built-in like voice message tool of WhatsApp, but they can also share like a audio file from their Files app. This is what it would look like, but it works exactly the same. Like you can just hold down on it as such, click on forward and tap on share, and you can save it to the Files app. So similar process, or you can also tap on it to make it go full screen and then click on share and save it to the files. So it depends on the type of the audio message or voice message, but you can save it in all cases to your Files app. So let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. I really hope that I can help you out. Like that is the mission of this channel. So let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.